her she is. And this is our tasting platter. Yes, our tasting platter is here.
Because we don't have, like I explained to the lady,
Yep.
we don't have the Kalamata or the Black Menzoi, so we've just switched them out with the varieties that we're trying. So number 2 will be this one.
Yep.
Number 1 will be, it's just a green Menzoi just dehydrated in salt itself. So it will be quite salty compared to the rest of them. And because we are organic, our olives are a bit salty because in the vat it's purely just salt and water.
Yeah.
And we circulate and so we can't punch them out within like 2 months because we don't put the chemicals into them. And then it runs down as it says. Since we've added our relish and our tapenade, our boards aren't designed for it, so pretty much ends at pitted smoked.
Yep.
And then the tapenade is the darker one.
Yep.
The relish is the colourful one.
Perfect.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Give me a call if you need anything, guys. I'll just
Yeah.
in the back.
Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, this is the Pillow Mama. It's our D3 on the road. So now we are on the way to Malene. But before we go to Malene, we go to, where are we going? Kulumanda. So we stop over on Kulumanda for our breakfast. And then we check it out with the lake and olives plantation, guys. So yan, and then after that we are on the way to Malene. But after Malene, maybe we are stopping by again because we are on the road trip for our country town trip for my sister before she go home. Please guys. So ito guys ang sa Goondiwindi. Yan ang nila, yung mga anik-anik nila doon. So kami naman ay picture para So good morning guys. Ito private road. Kaya yan ang mga guys, O tingnan mo guys, ito ang galing nila guys. Papunta na kami ng Malene. Yan guys. So yan guys, pabalik na kami, papunta na kami ng Malene. So guys, guided tours only, Goondiwindi cotton. And guys, tingnan mo yun guys, ang mga statue. They say they have a story behind this, but I don't know what is the story behind this. Landscape Goondiwindi. Look at that. Once upon a time, Smoko in the meadow, and that's the big table and the chairs, and underneath is a small table. Smoko in Australia guys is break time. Break time is morning tea, afternoon tea. That's a smoko time. Goondiwindi. guys. So guys, yan ang lake Colamanda Lake. So malaki rin pala ang lake dito sa Colamanda. Pwede kaming mag-fishing dyan, kaso lang wala kaming fishing gear nga nadala. At ayan guys, oh, may nagka-camping pa dyan. Ayan. May nag-camping. So you are allowed to camping here. So ang daming nag-camping guys, oh. Kahit Wednesday morning, Wednesday. So guys, ayan ang dam wall sa dam. Ayan guys, oh. So ito yung Colamanda Lake. Guys, ayan, oh. Yan, nandoon yung nagka-camping. Yan. And ito si Amy, turista.
Hello.
So, magbe-video din siya kasi isa siyang turista. Yan. Ito. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Ano ba yun? Look at that guys. All the birds on the lake. So many of them. Kumakain na sila ng pagkain. So guys, tingnan nyo yung malaking ibon, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Oh, pelican. And then look at that. Ayan, oh. Kasi pinipid ng mama, kaya nagpi-fishing yung mama. Ayan, nagpi-fishing yung mama. So ayan guys, ang Colamanda Lake. Ayan guys, oh, Colamanda Lake. Ayan na si Amy, nagposing na siya sa lake. Ito kami ngayon, oh, masaya, happy lang. At so guys, ayan, dumating na kami dito ngayon guys, sa diba, Colamanda Olives. Happy life. Pasok na kami guys. So ito ngayon, pasok na kami sa Colamanda Olives. So guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys, Colamanda Olives. Ito yung mga olives guys. Yan. Yung mga olives. Ewan ko kung bukas na to. Pero yan ang mga olives guys. So yan guys, ang Colamanda, hindi pa bukas, kaya maghantay-hantay muna kami guys. So yan, dumating na kami dito, nakaparada guys. Papasok na kami sa loob. So guys, ito na, hindi pa bukas, kaya maghantay muna kami ng bukas. So ngayon ay so guys, hantay kami until magbukas sila. Tapos dito kami ngayon sa taas sa olives plantation. Yan, papasok na kami. Guys, oh, tingnan mo, ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki ng lupain nila, guys. Oh. Oh, grabe. Yan ang kutsi namin. Ewan ko kung bukas na to. Pero, tingnan namin. So, guys, ito yung olive trees. See, nakita mo? Olive trees ito. Walang bunga. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ah. Tapos yan, guys. Hindi pa bukas. So, yan, guys. So, local trail for you to explore. Yan. So, my snake watch, be aware, be alert, but not afraid. Yan. Snake watch. Yan dito. Ewan kayo kung ano tong klaseng anong klaseng fruits to. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, guys. Oh. Nandito na ang may-ari. Guys. So, baka bubuksan na kami. Ayan, guys. Oh. Bubuksan na kami. Kasi nandito na ang may-ari. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Ito yung lavender. Ayan. Yung lavender yan. Ayan. You see, guys, iyan ang battle tree. Very unique trees, di ba, guys? Ayan ang battle tree.
Very nice clean toilets down there.
Really? So this is all the prices, guys. So kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, Colmandy, olives ang magaganda. Yan, guys. Olives, lip. Ito yung gift box, $60. Yeah, because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, of course. Yeah. And guys, yan guys, ang ano nila. Ayan o. Yan ang ano nila, guys. Processing nila. How to use it. Yan. Doon, guys. So, ito. So, $5. Olive oil, what?
I don't know. That's for your department, mine.
Ito, this one here. This is what I like. For green manzanilla. Yeah. Chili, yeah. I like the chili. And that one, guys. Oh. So guys, magti-tasting kami ng olive. So, limang olives na iti-taste namin ay $5 each. So, tatlo kaming magti-tasting. So, $15 each. So, pero ang iti-tasting namin ay 5 perasong olives. So, wait lang, guys. So, guys, this is the Colmanda olives that we passed by. So if you want to come and visit this place, come and visit this place. Look at this one. This is the $5 Is that right?
Tasting platter, yeah, $5 tasting platter.
$5 tasting platter, and look at that, how good is it? Very cool, is it? So $5 tasting platter. So which one do you want to buy? And the olive place is Colmanda, and the owner is
Oh, I'm not the owner.
sorry,
I just work here.
okay, she's a very, very nice person. So guys, come in and check this place. So guys, ito hindi pa ako nakatikim, pero pumili na ako ng ito kasi yun talaga ang gusto ko, chili. So guys, ito na ngayon ang almusal namin. So what is this one here?
That's a relish.
Relish.
It's meant for putting on the biscuits or something.
Yeah. So number 1 is
And salty. It's dried in salt. Number 1.
no,
No?
too salty for me. Number 2 is the chili one that I good. This one here. Makita ka sa camera. Tayo. Yan. Yan si Amy din, oh. Nagte-testing. So, ang hindi ko pa natikman, guys, ay gusto ko na. So, ito, yan, ilalagay mo sa biscuit. Eh, what is this one here? Masarap ang lasa. What is this one here?
Right? What's that one?
Yeah.
That's tapenade. That's just mushed up olives. That's meant to go on your biscuit.
Yeah.
Good morning, how you going?
Ay, may mga tao na rin. And number 3, what is it, number 3?
Green Monzello.
Number 3 is red
That's the
Monzello.
common olive in Australia.
Number 1, no. Ito yung apricot, right? This one, apricot.
What? Yeah, something like that. You want mine? I don't like them.
Ito guys, para akong tanga. Hindi ko alam, papalaman pala to. Kinain ko ng isa-isa.
Damihan mo kasi kailangan buusin natin.
Ayan.
Just four's the smallest olive.
What is this? Toast.
Arbor Queen. Very small, but very flavoursome.
Number 4, Arbicena. Number 4 is Arbicena, very small olive. Okay. Number 5 is Baroni, number 5. So, ganun guys, oh.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Delicious.
So, ito yung almusal natin. This is our breakfast.
Is that? Might be your breakfast.
Huh?
You said it might be your breakfast.
Why? This is number 5 is Baroni. Baroni. It's a bit salty also. And number one is very salty. So,
7's good smoked. No.
Ako ayaw ko to. Masarap naman. Mas gusto ko yun. Ito mas gusto ko.
You won't like the last two.
Ha? Ito ang lumalumay. Ikaw ano sa'yo? Number 6 is
Pickle.
so this is number 6 is pickle. Tingnan natin. No.
No. 7 and 8 are just smoked. 7's not pitted, 8 is pitted.
It's okay. Number 7 is just smoke. Good. Do you want this?
You need more peaches, or apricots, or whatever they are.
He doesn't like that thing. And number 8 is pig smoke.
Put them in the jar.
Dito na lang ako guys. So guys, dito na lang. Ang gusto ko ay ito and the 4 one. Number 4. So, hanggang dito na lang guys.
So we've got,
I can pass.
yeah. So we've got 3 tasting platters.
So guys, I buy something now.
And I'm just going to touch this again because they don't have their own barcode, but they're the same price. Okay, so 3 tasting platters, Arbequeen Agreement Salad and that one. So 45 today, please. So we're doing cash with that. Cash. We actually start pressing our oil tomorrow, so
Thank you so much
So easy.
and have a good day.
you too. Thank you so much.
Ang ganda ng mga tanawin, guys. Ang sarap talaga pag nag-road trip ka sa countryside ng Australia. Napaka ganda ng feelings.
Pero mas malawak yung kahapon. Mas malawak yun. Sobrang lawak yung kaysa dito.
Oy, malawak din na. Malawak din to, oh. Hanggang doon din yan, oh. Grabe din. Oh, hanggang doon.
Ang layo.
So guys, doon sa kabila harvested na. Dito ay hindi pa. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kalawak ang cotton plantation dito sa Australia. Ito ibang place na naman to guys. Papunta to ng Toowoomba. Bros LA. Yan guys. Oh. Yan ang may-ari. Yan oh. Ito pa. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Grabe guys. Kung gaano kalawak ang lupain ng Australia. Yun sa kahapon guys ay yun ay New South Wales. Ito ay Queensland. Queensland naman to. So guys, tingnan nyo ang view dito sa Toowoomba. Oh, di ba? Very cool. Sa baba makikita mo yung views kung gaano kaganda. Di ba guys? So ito yung Toowoomba, town of Toowoomba guys. Ang dito ay maganda kasi malamig at maganda ang view.
It's the Garden City.
This is the Garden City of flowers. Say we are going to picnic point. We're going to picnic point. Just look that guys. So ang mga dito ngayon at the moment ay very greeny kasi papunta na ng winter. So nakita nyo guys ang mga kahoy, ang gaganda, very greeny.
Big trees.
Big trees. Ganda-ganda. So ang picnic area guys, ito ang picnic point Parklands. Ito ang dinadayo sa mga turista dito sa Toowoomba, Australia. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda ang mga tourist dito. So maghahanap lang kami guys ng aming parking. Ayan. So guys, yung mga tao nag-aano dyan. So tingnan mo guys kung gaano kadaming tao dito. During the week na to guys ha.
Andito kami sa ngayon sa Toowoomba, part ng Australia. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar dito. Nakaka-relax. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda ng Toowoomba. Yeah. Next ano naman tayo guys?
Anong nagustuhan mo ba ang mga lakad mo?
Yes, siyempre. Ang ganda lahat ng mga lugar sa Australia na pasyalan ko. Tinotor nila akong mag-asawa ni Dancing Pillow Mama. Kaya ayan guys, bago ako umuwi ng Pinas,
tinutur na nila ako dito sa Toowoomba at sa kung saan man pang pupuntahan namin pagkatapos dito. Punta naman po kami ng Malene. Itong ano na to ay very popular sa mga turista to. Kasi yan, dami yan. Iba-ibang bansa.
Oh, cool.
So, tingnan mo guys.
Are you able to PDF them for me?
Yeah. So, yan guys. Tingnan mo naman ang lugar.
Yeah. No, I'll
Yan. So, yan si Amy. Tuwang-tuwa si Amy dyan. Ha? So, masayaw na siya dyan guys. So, dito lang muna kami guys. Maghahanap na kami ng pagkain. So, guys, oh, tingnan niya.
It had the same one track.
Diba guys? Ang ganda. So, yan. So, yan guys. Picnic Point Parklands. Saka guys, tingnan nyo. Oh.
Perfect.
Ayan guys. Busy ito dito. Lalo na pag weekend dito guys. Busy. Yan guys. Oh. Yan. Ang ganda talaga ng ano. Dito naman ay restaurant. So, cafe, restaurant, public toilets. So, titingnan namin dito ngayon guys kung anong makakain namin dito. Yan. Cafe. So, cafe, restaurant. Yan. Dito. Titingnan namin kung anong makakain namin dito. Yan. Mga may edad na. Kumpul sila guys. Oh. Yan. Ito. Yan. So guys, nag-stop over kami ngayon dito sa restaurant na Picnic Point Parklands ng Toowoomba. Dito kami, ayun no, may ano rin, ayun, may mga tao. So dito kami nag-stop over. Flex ko sa inyo guys, flex ko sa inyo. Tingnan mo guys, ang view sa baba. Tingnan mo ang view sa baba guys. Ibang kaya. Tapos yan guys, oh. Ang laki, yan. So guys, tingnan mo ang ganda na scenery dito sa restaurant na kinakainan namin. So tingnan mo sa baba. Tapos doon banda yun na ang mga ang valley. Andoon si Amy, tol. Ayan siya. Tapos guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano nila. Oh. Tapos ayan guys. Oh, ganda. Fish and chips guys. Baramandi. With salad. Salmon linguine. Very healthy lunch. Yummy, yummy guys. So yun na ang otol ko. Ayan. Ang sarap na ng kain niya. Ano tol? Anong masabi mo sa pagkain?
You're so yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Ilang araw ka na walang rice?
3 days.
Ilan?
3 days.
3 days? No rice?
Yeah.
You miss the rice? Ha? You miss the rice? Sige guys, kakain muna din ako. Guys, tingnan mo. Maghawak ng cutlery si otol ko. Binaliktad niya guys. Tinidor nasa kaliwa. ang knife nasa kanan.
Balik na rin.
Lahat baliktad. Last night guys, hindi ko napansin gamit niya. 2 kutsilyo. Ay nako.
Inom naman.
Ay, hindi pa rin siya marunong kumawak.
Hindi, ganun lang.
Hindi ganyan. You see this? So, okay na rin.
Pwede na rin ganyan.
Yeah, matuto ka rin dyan. Diba guys, nakakatawa ang aking utol.
Mas alanganin yung ganun eh. Hawa.
Ganon din ako noon, tol, huwag ka mag-alala. Natututo lang ako. Ano yung hawak-hawak mo dyan?
Yung ano, yung...
May binubulsa siya. Ano yan?
Ito.
Binubulsa pa niyang konti.
Sayang eh. Hindi naubos kaya ibalot.
Binubulsa pa niyang konti. Binubulsa.
Huwag kang maingay.
Binubulsa pa niyang konting chips. Ano ba yan? E tingnan mo guys, oh. Kahit na ganun siya, namamasyal pa rin siya. Ayun, ang daming tao. Ayun dyan. Maraming tao na sa ano. Ito yung kasama ng ano. Kasama ng mama. Ayan oh. Kahit na mga may edad na dito na mamasyal. Life is so short. Kaya life is so short. Yeah.
One more.
One more. Ako.
One in only.
Yeah. Ako ma. Yeah. So guys, tapos na kami sa Toowoomba Lookout. At tapos na kaming kumain. Ngayon, babalik na kami at pupunta na kami sa Malani. Ano, not yet. Kilcoy. On the way to Kilcoy. Ano, Dam. Ivanhoe Dam.
Sorry.
Where is the next stop? Ivanhoe Dam. Whatever guys.
Yeah, well, I have no idea.
Police reported ahead.
Ito na ang pababa. Ayan guys. Yung arrestor bid 300, doon yan kung ang truck ay mawawalan ng preno. If the trucks lose the what's they call this one? Brakes. Doon pumupunta sa arrestor bid para hindi sila automatic hihinto sila doon kasi doon yun arrestor bed. So that's why the name is arrestor bed. If the truck lose control, if their brakes gone, doon hihinto automatically ang truck sa arrestor bed.
That's where we were. See the pole up the top?
Oh yeah, nakita mo to sa taas, yun doon tayo, galing tayo doon. See, nakita mo yun guys, arrestor bed. Yan guys, arrestor bed. Yan doon, oh, see. Yan oh, hihinto ang truck doon. Ang galing di ba guys? Yan, ambulansya. Ambulansya ang nasunda namin. And tingnan nyo guys ang another truck. Yan. Okay guys, flex lang guys. So guys, ito tingnan mo guys. So ito naman dito ay mga vegetable plantation naman dito guys. Ayan, mga salad. Ito ay sa Lidley. Ayan o guys oh. Ayan o. So tingnan mo guys ang laki-laki na boat. Wow, yan mamahalin na boat yan. Yan guys, delivery yan ng boat na yan. Oh, I know ba? No, luma na, sira na. Ayan guys. Ito yung maisan, guys. Yan. Maisan. Ayan naman ay wheat. Kita mo yung wheat na yan? Ayan.
May bunga na.
Yeah.
Bunga na.
So guys, ito yung Somerset Dam. Ayan guys, oh. Hindi gaano makikita, pero nakikita mo yung blow dot, guys. Yan ang mag-o-open. Yan, blow dot yan na mag-o-open para lalabas ang tubig papunta sa baba. Nakikita mo guys yung ano, safe onte, oh. Nakikita nyo yung tubig dyan, yan guys. Pero sarado, kaya walang tubig na lumalabas. So yun guys, oh. Oh. Yan ang bundok, yan. Dito kami. Yan ang bundok guys. Yan. Yan ang kotse, palabas na. Yan guys, oh. Kasi guys, nakita mo yung lalaki nga naka-orange sa taas. Yun ang nagbabantay, yun ang yan ang engineer na magpapalabas ng tubig. Pinabantayan niya ang dam. So dito lang guys. So guys, ito yung Old Queensland. Ang mga bata ay naglalaro ng hopscotch. Diba? Napaka ang mabuhay noon ng Australia, ng Queensland, diba? Mga bata very relaxed. Pati yung nanay nandyan. Tapos yung bahay nila. Very simple life. Hindi gaya ngayon na ang buhay ngayon ay hurry ang buhay sa city. Pero pagdating mo sa mga countryside, ngayon nga wala na rin yan. Noong panahon pa yan.